Welcome back to the Forensics Detailing channel. In this video we're going to be doing a full detail on this lovely classic Porsche 964, and as well as giving it a good clean, we're going to be addressing a few age-related issues that I'm going to show you in the video. So let's get stuck into this and explore this amazing car together.
I'm wondering what you got for me. Egyptian cutter, so to speak. I'm wondering what you got for me. Egyptian cutter, so to speak.
Welcome back to the Forensics Detailing channel, the home of all things detailing. If you want to learn how to get your car popping and shiny, and more importantly how to keep it that way, the best products to use and the best processes to put in place, then look no further and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget you can also join us on the Forensics Unplugged channel, and if you want to get closer access to me and a load of different reward options, check out the Patreon page, which is linked in the description. So let's get back to the purpose of this video. Today we are going to be detailing this lovely classic 1990 Porsche 911 964 Carrera 4 Targa. This 3.6 litre engine beast has a manual gearbox and comes in lovely red velvet metallic with a beautiful cream leather interior. It's a really rare and unusual colour combo and I love it. So the good news with this car is some parts of it, like the alloy wheels and the rear glass and certain bits, are in immaculate condition. But other parts, as you'd expect for their age, are showing signs of kind of wear or fading, like this vinyl roof that's gone a bit dull and grey and will benefit from rejuvenation. Same with some of the rubber trims around the windows, and the exhaust tips could do with tidying up. And also the mauve coloured dashboard has faded and oxidised quite heavily, but we should be able to sort this out without too many problems. We also have some porous interior black plastic handles that will benefit from a touch of solution finish. We'll also be protecting this beautiful cream leather from friction wear and dye transfer, and I'll show you how later on. And of course, finally guys, it wouldn't be a detailing video if we didn't wash the car carefully to get this dust layer off safely first, and then spend some time polishing the paintwork to improve it as much as we can within the time frames permitted. Now let's run through the products that we're going to be using. In that Quasar pump sprayer there, I have the trusty Surfex HD all-purpose cleaner. And in our snow foam lance, we're going to be using Garage Therapy /1 shampoo. And we'll also use this same pH neutral shampoo in our wash bucket for the contact wash. We'll be using the woolly Wormit Chanel microfiber wash mitt, and as always the Detail Factory soft bristle and hog's hair brush combos. And to wash those lovely delicate satin wheels, I'm using the Garage Therapy wheel shampoo, and the snow foam lance is the Autoglym Polar Blaster, which connects to our inter-detailing quick release wand connected to my trusty K7 karcher. To dry the car we'll be using the Flex blower and a couple of mini Korean supersaurus drying towels. To polish the car we'll be using the Flex cordless PXE, XFE and CXE combo with the Bilt Hamber Cleanser polish and the soft orange trio of Flex polishing pads. Once polished, we'll be protecting the paintwork with Scholl Concepts premium vintage paste wax, and we'll be using done and dusted detail spray, white diamond metal polish, Carpro pearl plastic and vinyl dressing and restorer, and solution finish to restore badly faded plastics. Holy cow, that's enough talking guys, so we need to actually crack on and get this thing detailed now. But all of those products, you're never going to remember them, so I'll try and find links for as many of them as I can and put that in the description of this video. Now let's get to work.
I'm wondering what you got for me. Egyptian cotton is out to be our lady only. I'm wondering what you got for me. Egyptian cotton is out to be our lady only. I asked you for the time. You got the damn right. Everything you do gives me butterflies. I asked you for the time. You got the damn right. Everything you do gives me butterflies. I'm wondering what you got for me. Egyptian cotton is out to be our lady only. I'm wondering what you got for me. Egyptian cotton is out to be our lady only. I asked
And finally guys, a summary of this detail. It's been an interesting one because in some ways this is the cleanest car I've ever had to wash. But as a classic car, you have to kind of be careful, I think, and treat it gently. We had to be mindful of the conditions. And we had some really interesting challenges with this vehicle, guys, like the faded dashboard and the slightly greying vinyl roof. And the products that we use seem to have come off really, really well. I am going to be speaking to the owner to see if we can get that tailpipe rear section off of the car so we can polish it properly, and I talked about that in another video. So overall guys, I'm really happy with this. And also guys, when I do these videos, I like to ask myself what could have been done better, what could have been improved, what could have been done differently. Two main things. One, the paintwork would have benefited from full correction, perhaps multiple sets of heavy cutting and compounding, but then you're into a 2 or 3 day detail really. The other thing is the glass on the front. This is probably the original windscreen. Has some fine scratches from where the wiper blades have probably just worn into it over many, many years. If I had some seri glass and rayon pads or something, you can have a go at taking those out, even though trying to take out scratches on glass is generally not possible. They're sort of, it might be doable, you might be able to really improve that, so that's something else that could be done. And the one other thing is potentially taking off that tailpipe piece out of the car to polish it properly and gain all the full access, which we might do at a future date. So there's 3 things that that could have been improved. Thank you very much for watching. What a beautiful car. Awesome experience, guys. I've loved it. So let me know your thoughts on the Porsche. Let me know your thoughts on the products and the processes used. And take care and enjoy the sunshine.
Holding on to what I knew, but the moment's gone. Where was I when